Today, I'll walk you through how to import a JSON feed to Spreadsheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly integrate JSON data into your Google Sheets so you can enhance your data analysis and visualization. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is where we'll begin our journey to import that JSON feed. Next, click on the Apps icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid of dots and will lead you to various Google services. Once you're in the Apps menu, select Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets, where we will create a new spreadsheet to work with. Now, click on the option to create a new spreadsheet. This is your blank canvas where the magic will happen. With your new spreadsheet open, look for the Extensions menu at the top of the page. This is where we will find the tools we need to import our JSON feed. From the Extensions menu, click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find various tools to enhance your spreadsheet experience. In the search bar, type in Simple JSON Import. This add-on will help you easily bring in your JSON data. Once you find it, install the add-on and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process is generally the same. After installation, go back to your spreadsheet and click on the Extensions menu again. This time, hover over the Simple JSON Import option and click on Highlight. Next, click on the JSON Importer. This will open a new window where you can upload your JSON file. Now click on Upload the JSON file. This will allow you to select the file you want to import. Drag and drop your JSON file into the designated area or click to browse for it. This step is crucial for getting your data into the spreadsheet. Once your file is uploaded, select the List Data from your JSON. This is where you will choose which specific data you want to import into your spreadsheet. Next, click on Choose an option to select the keys you want to import. This gives you control over which parts of the JSON data will be included. In this case, we need all JSON keys, so make sure to select that option. Now go back to your spreadsheet. You should see the data structure ready for import. Finally, click on Import to your Google Sheets. This will bring all the selected data into your spreadsheet, ready for you to analyze and visualize. And there you have it, you've successfully imported a JSON feed into your Google Sheets. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.